It's lost.
Right, so today let's see how we can make chord progressions using the chord track. Even I will assume that you don't know any music theory, so first we're gonna use an instrument. Let's choose presence and let me try. I'm gonna drag the attack way down and remove the delay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click this and click chords. Now we can just double click here, but first I'm gonna search for a chord progression. So with a simple search I found these, and let's try one. Let's take this for example. So it's G, M, E, B and F. So G, M, E flat and was it F? Yep. So we're gonna drag those down to our instrument. See how it sounds. And since we want a 4-bar loop, we can either, let's say, extend this one or even better, so what we're gonna do next, since in real life a piano player would play the bass notes like an octave lower, so we're gonna press Alt and we can drag it one more octave as well. So now it sounds way more full, so we'll do the same for the next chords. And now we have this. So what we can do now, we can take the top 3 notes and let's say transpose this one octave. Let's transpose those two. Let's transpose the middle one and this one. So now we have our bass notes, we have our chords, and we can start making a simple melody. I'm gonna cue some of the low end. So what we could do, we could take first of all, we can merge all of them together. Now we can take the top notes, copy, and we can use, let's say, my tie. We're gonna copy this here. And we can use some, let's say, strings. Like it kind of sounds like a synth wave now with a sound selection I made, but it's fine, you can use whatever instrument you want. Let's add some drums. Let's add some 808 as well. We know we're in G. Let's see. This works fine. So from now on we can change our sounds. Let's say for the piano we can use some, let's say, the pad. Let's use a halftime. So I added some perks and changed the sounds a little bit, so now it sounds like this. So we actually made this just from the chord track. We just made the octaves to reinforce the bass, and we actually made the melody on a different instrument so we can mess around with it. So yeah, that was pretty much this lesson. I'm gonna see you next time. Cheers.